Hello, I am Pierre.
Hello, I am Antoine.
We are going to present you the only safe and quick way to install engrained wood floor. For this demonstration, one row is in sanded aspect, the other one is in vintage aspect. We've prepared this fitting display to explain the installation process. As you will see in this short video, it is very easy to install our engrained floor Pavés de Paris if you follow our recommendation. Unroll the expansion joint under the skirting boards. Put nuts of adhesive in every holes on the back of the panels. Just a nut, not a walnut. Keep applying engrained wood panels in the direction of the opposite wall. Always squeeze the panel together to tighten the blocks. When you arrive close to the wall, do not glue down the penultimate panels yet, but before, cut to size the last one. Now, glue down the last panel against the wall, and after that, glue down the penultimate one in the space remaining. Keep pressing down the panels to apply the adhesive correctly. A small gap like this one is absolutely not a problem. Anyway, if you want to fill it, you can use the wood filler. If you follow this recommendation carefully, you can install 20 to 25 square meters safely.